Our dev team has been so busy updating the Command app to make it more and more amazing for agents like me and you. And so I can't wait to tell you about a couple of the updates. Let's go. It's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and today I've got an amazing contact update for you guys. If you just click on your contacts in the bottom and then click on the three dots in the top right and then click on import contacts, you'll select the contacts that you want to import and then you'll click continue. And then here a new step has been added, you guys, and you can add a tag on all the contacts that you're importing from your phone. So you may want to actually add a from phone tag. That way you can search that tag and you can find all the contacts that came from your phone. You can add that, click continue, and now you have from phone. And when you go to import all these contacts by clicking continue, that from phone is going to add to your contacts. Now, if you have your contacts labeled in your phone, you can use those labels. If they're sphere, you can add sphere. Whatever you want to tag these contacts from your phone, put that in here before you ever do that initial import. And then when you click continue, your contacts will be tagged. No reason to go over to Command Desktop and clean those up or add tags. They'll already be tagged. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite tags are, and I'll see you next week.